Hey guys, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning how we can update the Windows 10 laptop login screen profile picture. And so for that, we will be directly going to the settings option. So please make a right click here in the Windows icon and then select the settings option. And once you're already in the settings, all you need to do is just to go to the accounts option here in the left pane. And once you click on that, you will get this kind of window here. All you need to do is just to go to this your info option under account settings option. So please click on that. And here you can adjust your photo by clicking on this take a photo option, or you can also choose a file and browse from your files option. So you can either open this camera or browse files. So if you click on this browse files, then you will be seeing this kind of window. All you need to do is just to select the pictures that you want to be added as the profile picture of your user account. So I'll just use this one. And since I have received this account picture error, setting the account picture failed. So all you need to do is just do the same thing with what I have done. Just click on this browse file, and from the location that you want to select your picture from, select it and then choose the picture that you want to be added, and then click on this choose picture button here, and then it will be automatically added as your profile picture. And once you're done with this one, you can apply the settings by making a quick restart with your device. And once you sign in again, you will now be seeing the newly set screen profile picture that you have just added. Okay, so that's it. I hope you learned something from this very short video tutorial, and if you did, if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I'll be seeing you again in the next one. Bye bye.